As a beginner trader, there are several important factors to keep in mind when entering the world of trading. 1. Start with a solid understanding. Educate yourself thoroughly on the fundamentals of trading, including market dynamics, trading strategies, risk management, and emotional control. Read reputable books, attend workshops, and explore online resources to build a strong foundation of trading knowledge. 2. Develop a trading plan. Establish a well-defined trading plan that outlines your investment goals, risk tolerance, and trading approach. Identify your trading style. Day trading, swing trading, or long-term investing, and align your strategies accordingly. Determine your entry and exit points, position sizing, and risk management techniques. 3. Practice with a demo account. Start by using a demo or paper trading account to simulate real-world trading conditions without risking real capital. This will allow you to test your strategies, refine your decision-making process, and gain practical experience in a low-risk environment. 4. Manage your emotions. Trading can be an emotional roller coaster, so it's crucial to develop a disciplined approach and learn to control your emotions. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on fear, greed, or herd mentality, as these can lead to significant losses. Implement strategies to stay calm and focused, such as taking breaks, practicing mindfulness, and seeking support from experienced traders. 5. Diversify your portfolio. Avoid concentrating all your investments in a single asset or market sector. Diversify your portfolio to mitigate risk and reduce the impact of market fluctuations on your overall holdings. Consider investing in a variety of asset classes such as stocks, bonds, cryptocurrencies, and real estate to create a balanced and resilient portfolio. 6. Start small and scale gradually. As a beginner, it's wise to start with a small amount of capital and gradually increase your investment size as you gain more experience and confidence. This approach allows you to learn from your mistakes without incurring significant losses and helps you develop a sustainable trading strategy. 7. Stay informed and adaptable. Continuously monitor market trends, news, and economic developments that may impact your trading decisions. Be willing to adapt your strategies and adjust your approach as market conditions change. Stay curious, keep learning, and be open to new ideas and techniques that can enhance your trading performance. 8. Use reputable trading platforms. Choose a reliable and regulated trading platform that offers a user-friendly interface, robust security features, and a wide range of trading tools and resources. For example, you can consider registering with BingX, a leading crypto exchange, using the referral code 911. BingX provides a secure and intuitive trading platform, along with a range of educational resources to support your trading journey. Successful trading requires patience, discipline, and a commitment to continuous learning. By following these principles and staying dedicated to your trading education, you can increase your chances of achieving your financial goals as a beginner trader.